Well, it finally happened. I was driving and hit the curb. Keep in mind that Teslas have terrible wheels in the rear. They are very thin and they don't cover the rim, they don't protect the rim, so it's easy to get them scratched, which, as you guys can tell, it happened to me. I consider myself to be a pretty good driver and I did not anticipate this happening to me, but it did, which means it can happen to anyone. I also want to point out that I absolutely love the tires of my Tesla Model Y Performance. I think they are massive, they look great, and just having a scratch or a dent on them just makes everything look so bad, and I just lose sleep at night. Yes, this is some of the things that keep me up at night. I did go to a shop nearby to get a quote on the fix for this specific rim, and they were quoting me at around $250 for the whole repair. I'm not paying $250 for this. Luckily, the guys at Tesstudios came in right at the perfect time to give us these amazing wheel set covers. These wheel covers are made out of plastic and they are made exclusively and to fit perfectly and exactly to your Tesla. I personally believe that Tesstudios has the perfect solution when it comes to protecting and covering the scratches of your wheels with this specific wheel set. I also want to point out that these wheel covers hide perfectly within your wheel set, making it look OEM and not obvious that you have scratches or that you are just trying to protect your wheels. Installing this should take you no more than 5 minutes per the whole car. All you have to do is go ahead and give a quick cleanup to your wheels. Make sure there's no debris in between, as these plastics are gonna go on top and you don't want to have debris rubbing in between the plastic and the wheel, as this may cause further scratches. I would also suggest for you to clean in between the wheel arches as well as the back of them, because that's where the covers are going to be clipped on. In the box, you'll also find this brown tape. This is cushion on one side and adhesive on the other one. This is to protect your wheel from the wheel cover. We have to install this around all the wheel covers to make sure that we protect our wheels from any debris or scratches. Once we've installed the cushiony tape into the wheel covers, let's go ahead and give it a quick finger swipe to make sure that it's completely adhered to the wheel cover, and that way we don't lose it while we're driving or anything splits out when we're driving. Remember, these are expensive rims and we do not want to mess them up. Installing the wheel covers is super easy, and there's actually a guidance for the wheel covers to install them. There is a hole for the TPMS sensor that you must align with the wheel covers, and the rest will follow. Be sure you properly secure the wheel covers to the wheel. Make sure you hear a snap on every single portion of it on the wheel arch. Once you've installed the first tire, the rest will follow suit. It's super easy, as I mentioned, and they bring so much character to the car. It looks OEM, you could barely see it from far away, and it protects your wheels, specifically the back ones, because as I mentioned before, the rubbers or the tires on the back wheels are just atrocious. They literally have no lip to take care of the wheel. So having a product like this could definitely save you hundreds of dollars and give you peace of mind that if you scratch a curb, you would be protected by this particular set of plastic covers. I also want to point out that these are some serious curb rashes and I hate looking at them. So the fact that I was able to put these covers on and add them without having to fix this wheel makes me feel a lot better. I know it's not the greatest fix ever, but it does make a huge difference and it actually looks really, really good. With that being said, I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a fun video to make on the middle of a painful situation. With that being said, thank you so much Tesstudios for bringing this product over to us. Guys, feel free to use my discount code C3S Garage, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.